So the first thing that we need to do, of course, when we're creating our Uber app is to create the app on AWS. So go over to aws.amazon.com and sign in. So then we'll sign in. And this is going to be a very similar process to what we've done before. So we'll go through it fairly quickly. We're going to begin with an EC2 instance. And then, as before, we're going to launch a new instance. And from the AWS Marketplace, we're going to search for Parse. And we want the Parse server powered by Bitnami. So select that. And crucially, make sure you choose the T2 Micro, as that's eligible for the free tier. And then review and launch, and launch. And as before, we'll create a new key pair, and I'll call it Uber key pair. Then we'll download that and we'll save that on the desktop. There we go, and then launch instances. As you'll remember, that takes a little while, so while that's going, we'll jump over to Finder and open up our Parse project. Remember, if you don't have that, you can download it from iosdevelopercourse.com/course content 10/parse project.zip. And that will contain all of the code that you need to connect your Xcode project to Parse Server. So then I'm going to rename the folder to Uber and then open up the Parse project starter file. And as you'll hopefully remember, all we need to do is edit the appdelegate.swift file and make sure that we've got the right settings there to connect to our new app. All right, so we're ready to go. Let's jump back over to Chrome and see how our instance is coming along. All right, it looks like it's started. So let's tap on the instance name to see where we are. So it looks like we're running, still initializing, but we have our public DNS, which is the main URL that we need. So I'm going to copy that, Command C, and then back over to Xcode, and that sits in our server URL. And again, hopefully you'll remember, all we do is put http:// in front of that, and then /parse at the end of it. The application ID and client key this time we'll leave as the default. So we'll just save that, and I'll run it on the simulator. And at the same time, we'll go back over and we'll see if we can open the Parse data browser, which hopefully you'll remember is the main URL /apps. So let's have a look if it's all set up. Nope, we're not quite there yet. Nothing else for us to do, so let's just wait a moment and then try that again. And there we go. I had to wait about 5 minutes for that to set up, but now we're up and running, and you can see we've got our data browser as we're used to seeing. So let's jump back over to Xcode and run that one more time, just to make sure that we're all connected up, and we should see the test object2 object created. And if we scroll up with any luck there, we should see there it is. Object has been saved. And then if we jump back over to Parse dashboard and refresh, we should see our test object2 created in the data browser. And there it is. Wonderful. So we're all set up and ready to go. And we'll jump straight into our Uber clone, starting with the login and sign up screen.